Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to grow strawberries at home. Whether you have a sprawling garden or just a small balcony, you can grow these juicy, delicious fruits right in your backyard. So let's get started with our beginner's guide to growing strawberries. First things first, you need to choose the right strawberry variety for your garden. There are three main types of strawberries: June-bearing, ever-bearing, and day-neutral. June-bearing strawberries produce one large crop in late spring or early summer, while ever-bearing and day-neutral strawberries produce smaller crops throughout the growing season. Think about your climate, space, and how much fruit you want before choosing the right variety for you. Now that you've picked your variety, let's get those plants in the ground. The best time to plant strawberries is in early spring when the soil is moist and temperatures are still cool. You'll need well-draining soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5 for the best results. Space your plants about 18 to 24 inches apart and plant them in rows or raised beds. Make sure the crown where the leaves meet the roots is just above the soil line to prevent rot. Strawberries need lots of love and care to grow big and strong. Make sure they get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day, and water them regularly to keep the soil moist but not soggy. Adding a layer of mulch around your plants can help retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. Don't forget to fertilize your strawberries with a balanced, all-purpose fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Like any other plant, strawberries can run into a few problems. Some common issues include pests, like slugs and aphids, and diseases, like powdery mildew and leaf spot. To prevent these issues, make sure your plants have proper air circulation and avoid overwatering. If you do encounter a problem, there are many organic and chemical treatments available to help you get your plants back on track. Next is harvest time, the moment you've been waiting for. Your strawberries are ready to be picked and they're fully red and slightly soft to the touch. Be gentle when picking and don't forget to enjoy the fruits of your labor. And there you have it. Remember, patience and a little TLC will go a long way in helping your plants thrive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.